I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Last video was 1500, and I guess I didn't learn my lesson. Well, we'll see how this goes.
Jesus Christ.
Alrighty, boys and girls, here we are again with another mystery box unopening. Last video, y'all did great liking and subscribing. I appreciate the feedback. As a result of that, I decided, you know what? Let's push it. This box right here, 2,000 buckaroos. Buckaroos. 2000.
-1, that's free, quick maths.
Let's see how this works. Don't you hate when you just get out the shower and like you feel nice, but then your hair stays wet and then it starts dripping on your face, so it feels like you're getting like a sweating sensation, but it's just water from the shower? Hate to see it. Alright guys, Picasso's back at you again with another mystery box. This one's going to be from Dron Kicks, at Dron, D-R-O-N, Kicks, K-I-C-K-S. From Twitter, great guy, love doing business with him. He drops amazing mystery boxes, raffles, merch, anything you want, essentially. And we spent $2,000 with him.
Wow.
Last box we did with him, very profitable. So let's see if we could pick it up a notch and go for the 2K, and let's see what returns we got. But first, if you haven't seen the other video, please go back and check my last post. But alright, back to the box. Let's unopen it. I'll show you guys a preview, and then yeah, then I'll just blindly open it and go through it. Here we go. As always, taped up really nice so the box could stay in good shape to keep the items intact. You haven't seen on the previous, it shows this side up on the box, so I wonder what's in here for that to happen. Alright, we'll show you the guys in preview. Preview. Oh. Wrappers. Oh, stuff is falling out. What do you guys see? Anything good? Alright, time for me to find out. Alright. I unfortunately saw a Supreme bag because it kind of came out. So, let's just blindly pick in here. Complications. Supreme bag. Let's open up. Something's in it. So guys, what we have here is a Supreme wolf fleece. Look at that. It says Supreme right there in the front and right here on the back. Dead stock condition in an XL. This is super fresh. I wonder what year this is from. Maybe it'll say. Is the tag still attached? The tag is not attached. It's from Laced Up, bought from Laced Up. This is a clean piece. If I lived in New York still, I would definitely think about holding that piece. What's next? So that was the first item. That's a pretty decent. That's a big decent chunk. I think that thing goes for over $500 right off the bat. Alright, bubble wrap. Alrighty here. I see some red Nike boxes. Alright, we have a red Nike box here. Zoom Spiridon cage in an 8. This is the recent release. They got really hyped recently. And let's see what colorway we have here. Ooh, we have the white colorway. I actually really dig the whites. The triple whites. These are beautiful. Let's see if we can focus up here. Yeah, there it is. All white. Dead stock. Size 8. These are really fresh. They're very light too. The dad shoe is in. Everyone loves the dad shoe. I've always liked the dad shoe. I was early to the wave, I guess. But, I mean, better late than never. These are size, again, 8. And dead stock condition. This is another good item. I think this will probably fetch at least like maybe around 200, 150, 200. And let's move on. Put that right there. A lot of wrapping paper in this. I love how quality everything is in this box. Another red Nike box. Red Nike box. Anything could be in here. Another one. Zoomed Spiridon Cage 2. And another 8. Let's see. It's a different color this time. No, it is the same color. So guys, we got the same color again. I don't need to go over this. We got 2 of the same shoe. That's cool. Like, I mean, as long as they sell, I'll be fine with it, you know? No problems here. It's just content-wise. But we're looking good so far. Another dead stock shoe. Alright, looks like we might have two more. So I went to pull the box out and the box it broke from here. So I mean, I guess we'll figure that out. We shall figure this out. These are some Air Max 270s. Excuse the troubles I'm having. In a size 12, so my size. We got these shoes right here. You've probably seen these at all your foot stores like Foot Lockers, Eastbay, Champs. Dead stock condition, brand new shoe. I don't know how much these really retail for, but a decent shoe nonetheless. It's a nice quality. Got the 270 bubble back here. The material is a weird material. It feels like canvasy, but mesh at the same time. I don't know what that material is called. It's a nice summer shoe. The color blocking is very nice. It's very retro looking. Other than the box, these are gonna go for really cheap because the box is just destroyed. So if any of you guys, actually this would be a great segue. If any of you guys like anything in this video and you want to purchase, just hit me up on Instagram or message me in the comments, or yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, 4 items down. I don't know how the value of this is looking right now, to be honest. If that's like $500, $600, hopefully I'm underpricing it. 600, let's say if 150, 300. I don't see $2,000 in this box yet. But we got one more item and it looks to be a big one. Hopefully, this will be good item right here. Alright. Last item right now seems to be, oh my god, this is a fat box. Slightly damaged, but if you know what this box is right here, it's gonna be a Yeezy 750 box. We have 10.5 Yeezy 750 box. Let's see if they're used, dead stock. Box is massive. Oh, awesome. It comes with a receipt from Foot Action. That's nice. And we have here a dead stock pair of Yeezy 750s in the gray colorway. I actually really like this model a lot. It's just really hard to wear. And then I'm a size 10.5. Let's see. The biggest problem about these shoes is the zipper may not work. So hopefully the zipper here works on the side. It's dead stock, I don't see why it shouldn't. Actually, they look pretty intact just looking at it. I don't think they've ever been unstrapped. So I kind of don't want to mess with it. It's like a suede, a very nice suede material on the uppers, if you can see here, very nice suede. toe box 2 mudguard, and then the Boost bottom. Can you see that? No, yeah, Boost bottom right there. Very solid shoe. Both of them are dead stock. You can just tell. I don't know how much they go for now. I don't think they go for much, and I think they're just a hard shoe to sell in general. So, to be honest, I don't know how this box is doing right now. Plus, this box is slightly damaged. I don't know how I feel about this box yet, but let's go evaluate how much these items will go for, and then we shall figure it out in the breakdown at the end of the video. So hold on tight, let's go do that right now. So guys, after doing some market evaluating, turns out like this box actually was pretty decent. With the wolf fleece and the 750s, that might, hopefully, it could be the box right there. And then the rest of the 3 shoes, the 270s and the 2 Spiderons, will be just profit for us to hold. Hopefully. The thing is, with the damaged box and the fleece and the 750s, now being summertime, it might be kind of hard to flip easily, especially local. No one in Florida is going to buy a fleece. And the 750s are as a boot. It's hot out here, it's humid, people don't want wet ankles. So, yeah, people are going to get athlete's foot in those things. So, we'll see how it goes in terms, like the box, fair, the value is fair. The ease of movement might take a little long to do, but sometimes that's a game, and that's the point of reselling. You gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes you'll have quick flips, sometimes you'll have investment holds, and hopefully that fleece at winter time will probably just go up, and that'll be a great thing for me. And again guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Hopefully we could go bigger and do these more frequently. And just tell me how you like it, man. Just tell me if you enjoy these videos. What would you like to see? How big of a box you want to see? And remember, if you want any of these items, just like, comment, DM me on Instagram. It'll be in the link in the bottom. And maybe we could do business together. So shout out Drawn Kicks again for this box at DRONKICKS. Also, let me not forget, his customer service is amazing. As soon as I got the box delivered to me, he sent me a personal email saying, hey, I noticed one of the items in your box like went down in price by a decent amount, and he offered to even send me another item or 2 to make up for the value of the box. And just the fact that he went out of his way to do that shows that he really cares about his business. He cares about the feedback he gets. He cares about the customer's experience as well. So shout out to him for reaching out for that. I really appreciate that. I've dealt with mystery boxes a lot, and I've never had someone reach out to me afterwards a purchase, and that is a great guy right there. So go do business with him. And yeah guys, thank you again so much, and go show some love. Appreciate it. Picasso's is out.